What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. Haley's been gone for, like 10 days or so?
Something like that.
I don't know, almost 2 weeks. And she's back here recording today. And not only is she back, but today I finally got home a couple pairs of shoes that I'm really excited to unbox. And we were watching Stranger Things season, what is it, 4?
4,
it
yeah.
Just came out. She was gone and we couldn't watch it when it came out. So we were watching it all today.
Whoop, whoop.
And I couldn't think of anything about unboxing these things. So here we are. But first, a word from my sponsor, because none of this would be possible without him. This is John chapter 8, and starting somewhere in verse 7. This is where a woman is caught in adultery, and the religious leaders at the time who caught her say that the law of Moses says that she should be stoned. And they asked Jesus what he said he thinks that they should do, and they're really trying to trick him. But this is what he said. Let's have the man, this is the Passion Translation, again, John 8, somewhere in verse 7. Let's have the man who has never had a sinful desire throw the first stone at her. And then he bent over and wrote something else in the dust. Upon hearing that, the accusers slowly left the crowd one at a time, beginning with the oldest to the youngest, with a convicted conscience, until finally Jesus was left alone with the woman still standing there in front of him. So he stood back and he said to her, "Dear woman, where are your accusers? Is there no one here to condemn you?" Looking around, she replied, "I see no one, Lord." I think that I'm a very literal and specific person, right, Haley?
Yes.
So when she looked around and she said, "I see no one," she actually wasn't telling the truth, was she?
No.
Why?
That's a good question. Tell us why.
Because Jesus was standing there talking to her.
Right.
And actually, he was the only person qualified to condemn her because he had no sin.
Right.
And I think he definitely wanted to correct that, because then right after that he says, then Jesus said, "Then I certainly don't condemn you either. Go and from now on be free from a life of sin." And I think that's such a great story there, because it shows us that even though we do things that would displease God, because of Jesus and his forgiveness, there's no condemnation there whatsoever. The only person that ever lived with no sin actually forgave all those sins for us. And he says, "Go and sin no more." And I think what he also meant there was, like, don't even think about the sin because I've got it covered. And I love that part. So, all right, let's get this. I can't wait to open this. I might need my knife. Do you see my knife?
I see it. I got it.
I got it.
Well, I got your knife ready in case.
All right. This is a different box.
185. Oh, you took it away. It was there again.
That's part of the address. So. All right.
Cactus
Corporation?
I was gonna say cooperation.
Cactus Corporation. Nike. What else we got here? Nike.
A swooshy symbol. Not a swoosh.
So these were supposed to come out months and months ago. I think
circle.
like 6 months ago. And I think that is clear to us. What are you doing?
Look at the little Cactus Jack.
Oh, there's...
The little one.
Oh, okay. Cactus Jack. I got you.
I gotcha.
All right, and this is that must be a Cactus Corp. All right, but these were supposed to come out months and months ago, and these actually have a suggested retail price on them.
Wow.
It's $160.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Air Max.
Really, 160? I thought they were 150.
I thought these were Jordan.
No, these
I
are not.
did.
These
Oh
are
wait.
Nike Air Max 1 CJ.
I went for
CJ,
these
Cactus
and I
Jack.
forgot.
Baroque brown lemon drop wheat. These are supposed to be. These are supposed to be the most hyped one out of all 4 models or silhouettes, or 2 of the 2 silhouettes and 4 colorways that came out last week. Haley, when we were going for these, I counted, and I think I had 50-something attempts at these. Because they dropped on several different occasions on his website. They dropped a couple other places that I got in some raffles for that I didn't get anything for, and then sneakers.
Oh my god.
And it might have been, I think it was 30-something just on sneakers that day.
Jeez.
And this one came from sneakers. So I got the most hyped one.
Boom.
And I think it was the one I liked the most, too. I like the other Air Max as well. I would have taken either of the trainers, but this is probably my favorite one. And actually that day on sneakers, though, we hit on not just one, but we hit on 2.
Ooh. Is there a different color?
This is going to be a different video. We'll talk about that in a different video.
Okay.
But let's go ahead and get this out, because I want to see this. All right. We'll get some Cactus Corp paper. This paper reminds me of like
wax
something.
paper.
No, I mean it is a little waxy, but no, I was thinking more about butcher paper. Like You wrap a half-smoked brisket up in this and put it back on the smoke. Ready?
Oh, I'm ready, Freddy.
We're getting
So
the reaction.
I want to see them.
You can look. We're getting the
I
reaction.
can't look.
Ooh.
Boom.
Boom. What do we say?
You bet. Okay, I can't even do it. My voice is going away.
All right, let's get this out of the way. What?
I don't know how I feel about them.
It's a little yellowy.
It's more like a poopy, like
Lemon
peanut.
drop wheat.
Oh wait, no, it just looks like that in the camera. It's actually cuter out.
Okay.
Not in the
So this is a little yellowy, and I don't know exactly how I feel about that. I like the browns. I like the browns a lot. I don't know how I feel.
Yeah, that's what I
without
don't like.
this
Is
stuff.
that? Yeah,
You get a Nike flag on the back.
that's
I've
weird.
never seen that
I
before.
like that though. It's like a slice of pizza.
So I also hit on some of his merch too.
No.
Shorts and a t-shirt, I think is what
Whoop
I got.
whoop.
And the shorts were supposed to go with these.
Are you gonna keep these?
Possibly. Possibly. I think when,
Ooh, I
when
like
they first
the
got
tone.
delivered, they were going for like $600.
What?
And now I think they're going for like $5. So we get this Cactus Jack, or Cactus Corp, I guess is what that is. Maybe that's Cactus Jack. C and a
That's
J.
cute. Yeah, it looks a lot more yellow on camera. Like this looks white. This is definitely like yellow.
But it's yellow, yeah.
This
wheat.
is like white.
This
on
is
camera.
lemon drop wheat.
This is deceiving. Maybe I'm going colorblind. I don't know.
Get a close up of the texture here. This is like beads. Yeah,
No,
it's beaded.
gosh, it's like honeycomb.
It's beaded. They're beads.
You're gonna pull them off. You messed this one up.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that is fancy schmancy.
Also beaded here. Like this is really nice leather. I like the leather a lot.
Where is the
nubuck.
brown the leather?
Yeah, brown. This is leather. Yeah, buttery. Buttery brown leather on the tongue. One weird thing about this is the
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I didn't like that the air bubble was colored.
painted. Yeah.
It's like they were too lazy to put it in the system to not go over it. They were just like, I don't
these are
care.
hand painted.
Oh,
Maybe.
maybe.
This is the same. I think this is the same thing.
Oh,
that
this
was
is
in the tree
nice
line.
looking.
It's too thin.
Then this is thicker than every one of the other ones. Oh no, it's not.
This
It looks like it
it's
would be.
curved.
Yeah.
It's not actually that thick. But you got a little arch support, which is cool.
I like the bottom.
What about it?
It's like a tree or something. I don't really know what's going.
Oh.
Wait, what is this little thing? Oh, it's dirt, or like glue or something.
Yeah, that is cool. Cactus. You got the Cactus Corp on here too.
And the tiny Nike chick, the baby.
Swoosh.
I mean, whatever.
That's a swoosh.
It is a check mark. You can swoosh it or you can check
I took
it.
my tree lines back today because I got these and I knew I was going to like these better than the tree lines, and I do. I could have, like I said, I just could have done without this. I wonder if there's extra laces, because.
Well, even if there's extra laces, it's not going to take away from those things.
But we know. Okay, there are brown laces.
Ooh, I like the brown laces.
I was hoping for some pink.
Boy,
Boy.
look at this. Look right here.
Yeah, those aren't the right laces though. These are round laces.
Well,
Yeah, I'll probably go put these in. I don't like.
I agree. I don't
that.
like the red either.
And it'll tie back in. With
Yeah.
this.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think that's what I'm gonna do. But man, these were just incredibly hard to get. 50-something tries for all of the four colorways, or the four colorways of the
Each.
two different silhouettes. It was 50 total.
Oh.
There might have been more than that. I mean, I use your email address, my email address, Hesper's email address, Peyton's email address on all the Cactus Jack drops, and then 11 accounts on sneakers or so. I don't remember exactly, but I think I'm going to keep these.
I like these.
Comment down below, let me know what you
fan.
think about these. But in the next video of this shoe, maybe you'll get some information on why I'm going to keep this. But I may not. Like, I'm not as excited about it now that I've opened it.
Ah.
Like, and we've talked about this before. Part of the reason why I feel like I get really excited to open shoes is because they're so hard to get, and I got them.
Yeah.
And this is one of those that's so hard to get, and I got them. But I'm just like, man.
No one did you get one, you got two.
I wish there was a sicko mode head on these.
Is that the...
The face.
It looks like a sock puppet or something.
Yeah. And I wish there was some pink.
Pink would not...
Pink would be fine.
if it was...
Pink and brown goes fine.
No, pink and brown does, but I don't know about the pink with the yellow and the brown.
And this one has Cactus Jack on the insole. This one has Nike Air.
I really like the
this has, okay, we get a little bit more Cactus shape branding. But again, I like the sicko mode head.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know.
My motto is, if you don't love it 100%, doesn't matter. I changed my mind before, like, once I started to say it. Yeah, but then I was like, wait, some of my shoes I'm not like, I love these so much, but I wear them anyways, because I still like them.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right.
Like, I only have one pair that I absolutely love, and you know what that pair is, but, like, there's only one.
Oh, the Unions.
Yeah, they're those, because they're so comfortable, and they're cute, and I have something that matches them perfectly. But other than that, I have no other, like, that I 100% love. Like, I either only like the way that they look, and I don't like the way they feel, or I like the way they feel, but I can't put an outfit with them. Something like that.
I like this, too. It's, like, different up here than it is up here. This is leather on this side. This is this, whatever this is, material on this side. It's got
fake leather, like TTTT.
Look how the lacing goes in there.
Yeah, when you said you were going to release that, I didn't know how you were going to do that.
I mean, it's doable.
Well, obviously it's doable, but I wasn't looking that hard to see.
All right, y'all need to stick around. Stay tuned, because it probably won't be the next video right after this, but we'll talk more about whether or not I'm going to keep these. If I don't keep them, though, and this video does, like, insanely well, which I don't think it's going to, because it's just plenty of people who have these and have made videos on them, then if I don't keep these, I'll consider giving them away. But we're talking like this video's got to get 50,000 views or something like that.
50,000 views?
Yeah. Probably not going to happen.
$500 or 50,000 views.
A boy can dream. All right, stay tuned for the next video, though, because we'll talk more about whether or not I'm going to keep them. And make sure you tell your grandma, because I know your grandma wants some Travis Scott Baroque brown Air Max 1.
Wait.
What?
Why is the swoosh normal? It's like it's like normal sized, and it's not cut off at the bottom.
It's not oversized.
And it's not like
it's not placed as far down as
I don't like
the ones.
I like how that is on the ones.
I kind of like
because
it too.
I used to not.
I think I wish it was a little bit over.
It's like a statement.
Oversized. I wish it was more oversized, but it's backwards, and that's what I think. That's the biggest deal about the Travis Scott swoosh.
Yeah.
All right. So stay tuned and tell your grandma, because you know she's going to want one of these. Grandma was not wearing her Travis Scotts at lunch today. Atticus was, and she felt bad that she didn't wear them with him. I wore Legend Highs today. Last week I wore the Legend Lows, and I think I like the Legend Lows better. They're more comfortable.
I can see why they would be more.
It might just be because they're newer, and maybe more cushy because they're newer.
More cushy.
Yeah. But all right, stick around. The Shark Slide giveaway video is open right now. You'll need to go over to the Shark Slide giveaway and smash that like button and make a comment on it. What are we commenting on that video? Do you remember, Haley? Did you watch it? You were supposed to comment on that video.
I don't remember.
Haley wasn't here to record that one, but she should have watched it. You're supposed to comment, you bet.
Oh, wait. I do remember that. I don't think I commented, but I remember you saying something.
Yeah. All right. And 2,000 sub giveaway videos coming up really quick. Like, I think we got 100 and something subs in the last month. So I had told X that X is a she.
Oh, I told you.
But again, and she is in the UK or England. And I had mentioned in a previous video that she needed to look in the September time frame, but it's now the beginning of June. So it's more like July, August that you're going to need to look at. If there's something that's coming out then that you want, we can get it early. And I would rather you get it early, because I can go get it from StockX or wherever and make a video on it before I send it.
Right.
All right. So make sure you go back to those other videos. Comment on this video. Tell me what you think about this one. Did you hit? Because these were pretty hard to get. And stay tuned for the next one when we unbox this one. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.